Lesson 12. 100 words per minute, simultaneous interpreting. Have you ever run into the problem of misplacing something and then not being able to find it? I sense that we have all shared this experience at one time or another. I recall several instances in which this has happened to me, but one incident stays clearly in mind. I was sent a list of names of people I was asked to serve on a committee of an organization I belong to. I remembered as I began to search for the list that I had put it in a safe place so it would not be inadvertently thrown away. As I was searching for the list, I began to run over in my mind the safe places I might have put the list. I knew that some possible places I might have selected to put the list were my briefcase, desk drawer, top of my dresser, or drawer of a cabinet in the family room. I looked in these places first, but to no avail. Then I widened my search pattern to include less likely places, like under the newspapers, under the desk, behind the cabinet in the family room, in the kitchen, in my wife's odds and ends drawer, all without success. I was truly shook. The point that kept running through my mind was that the list must surely be in a safe place if it was that difficult to find. I could not see how the list could not be in one of the places I had already searched through. What I did next is one of those oddities of behavior that I suspect we all exhibit from time to time. I began to search through the same places I had just finished going through. Not just one more time, but at least 3 times. To a rational person looking on, this must appear to be really idiotic behavior. I guess the only explanation for this behavior is that we become so set in our thinking that we eliminate all other rational explanations and continue in our circular behavior. Needless to say, I did finally